Hello friends, today I wanted to upgrade my car. The upgrade from here, as you've seen, this is carbon flash, as you've seen, PPF on it. I'm gonna replace by carbon fiber because I purchased carbon fiber. I'm gonna replace whole this section. It's very difficult to find the OMA part, 1, 2, 3 pieces. Okay, excellent. This is the whole package. Comes with the instruction book and some warranty. Very high quality, recommended. Okay. The package was excellent. I mean, this is the art, really art, amazing quality. I never seen this kind of quality. I purchased a lot of carbon fiber parts for my other supercars, for NSX and McLaren and GTR, AMG GTR, but no one is perfect. I mean, wet carbon fiber have a lot of wave on it. I mean, on perfection. Very bad quality, but look at this. This is the same as factory quality. Do you see that? Amazing quality. I paid about $1,600. I mean, all panel in here, everything. This is one other side. Okay, I'm gonna show you another piece. This is different piece. The quality is amazing. I mean, I never had experience with this quality. Crystal shine on it, as you see. Very light, very high quality. They made also these clips on it to installation easily. No need for modification, the same as Chinese carbon fiber brand. Very high quality. Let's continue. Okay, what is this? Do you see that? 3 screws. Wow, 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 amazing. No wave, no scratch. Just excellent. Let's continue. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start to remove this panel. This is the most difficult, challenging part, but everything is easy, but just you have to remove interior cover to reach to open up the screws. And I'm going to show you step by step. Thank you so much. Let's do it. Okay. I just remove these, let me see, these 2 screws, T27, okay? These 2 screws, as you see. And then you have to remove this cover. Easily you can pop with plastic stick. You have 2 screws here. You have to remove these 2, okay? Don't forget. Just remember, this is 7 millimeter for here, okay? I just removed. And underneath, let me turn on the light. Underneath, T27, 2, 1, 2, T27. You have to remove these off. Also remember, after you remove all the screws, you have 1, 2, 3 pin in this side. Okay, I don't recommend metal. Plastic is the best. You have to push inside and pop. That's all. Okay, panel is removed. I try to not remove the 2 cable as you've seen because it's difficult. That's why probably I'm gonna do like this. Okay, as you've seen, you have cable. I just disconnect the cable, and you have do you see 1, 2 behind the wire and 3. I just remove 4 knots as you see from here, and should be okay. Let me see. Okay, I just remove because it was for a long time stay like that. That's why a little bit stick inside. I just remove. This is the part. I'm gonna remove this now to install the carbon fiber. Okay, now I just you have to remove the seal, plastic gasket, and underneath you have one. There is 2. Okay, 2 and 3, probably 4. 4 screws should be removed. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after that you can remove the cover. Okay, I just installed the door panel. It's dirty a little bit because my fingerprint on it. And now I'm gonna install the side vents. It means this. Okay, let me turn on the light. You have to remove this cover. Okay, you have 1 screw. You have to remove the screw. 1, 2. You have to remove these 2 screws and pull it out. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I just remove the side. As you see, 1, 2 and 3 and 3. This is it, as you see. Okay, let's see which one. This is the correct part. Okay, after that I'm gonna PPF this one because this is the target to impact rock chip target. Okay, do you see that? Excellent. Just I'm gonna install this, but let's see. Okay, I have to remove this part. Okay, this is important to switch to that part, the carbon fiber one. Okay, this is the bottom. Just remember, this is super important. The bottom one, the longest one, okay, not the shortest one. Short for this and top section. Don't mistake if you install the bigger, longer one, screws to here, make damage to the body. Okay, that's why I made mistake. I installed the longer to this section. That's why the panel came up. I just fixed it, but now no, nothing in here. Just remember. But now, as you've seen, it's super nice. I'm gonna install. In here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 lock here. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, I just remove the lock. You see, this is the old one. I'm gonna install the new one if I find it. Okay. Okay. No, this is not. This is not. I think this is the new one. Oh, yes. Yes. This is the new. I have to switch some part from this one to here. I mean, this gasket with the screws I have to install to here, and after that I'm gonna show you. Okay, I switch the screws to here, as you see. Do you see that? It's good to go. I'm gonna install. Hey friends, I installed the door handle. So gorgeous, very high quality. Do you see? Hey friends, this is the carbon fiber side. Okay, now it's fully loaded carbon fiber side. It took about 2 hours to installation, but excellent quality. As you see, it's amazing. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.